maybe one of the nicest 72 Mach 1s around. I went over this car. It is in amazing condition. It's a 72 Mach 1. It's got the 302 V8 C4 transmission, correct pewter metallic color with vermilion interior. Very rare and very beautiful color combination. The pewter and the red just pops. What a beautiful car. Look at the body. Nut and bolt restoration done on this car. Magnum 500s, 15-inch. She sounds beautiful. She runs beautiful. She is beautiful. Just check out this stunning 1972 Ford Mustang Mach 1 sports roof, fastback, whatever you want to call it. It's absolutely beautiful. Look how that red interior just pops against the pewter. Great color combination, great car. Check out the pictures. Underneath is beautiful. You won't find a nicer one for the money anywhere. HollywoodMotorsUSA.com.